Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am opening my video in a minute.
Morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Ma'am, fine.
Good.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but ma'am, your voice is coming low. Very low.
Yes, ma'am, your voice is coming.
Now is it okay, beta?
No, ma'am.
Now,
No, ma'am.
just a second. Just a second. Let me check. Is it coming now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's coming fine now.
Okay. Okay. So where did we leave the last class?
Ma'am, we were doing 8200 question answers.
Okay, we were doing
Ma'am,
82.
ma'am, we are doing ma'am question answer. Ma'am, we have to start at 50 to 70 words.
Okay.
So, ma'am, it's 100 words.
No problems. Let me just check. It is fine. Completely fine. All those who have given their attendance, they all have joined the class. Arsh, Kripansh.
Yes. Yes, ma'am, I have joined.
Dhairya. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I have joined.
Is there? Akshat Chandra, Naitik, Aradhe Nagpal, Tanishka, Gauransh,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Tiwari,
ma'am.
Aditya Tiwari is there. Then Prasun, Shagun. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a second. Just a second. Let me take out my answer sheet. Sorry, attendance sheet. And you all also take out your books. We have to do question number.
Ma'am, please tell the page number.
Telling beta. We have to open page number 154.
Ma'am, 154.
Yes, page 154.
Now, what is the page number?
154.
154.
All have opened?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Still children are coming. Okay, do you remember that I told you about the activities of activity we'll be doing? I told you that.
Yes, ma'am. Individual activity.
Ha. So after doing the question answers, we'll be going with the activity part, right class?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Okay, we were on
Ma'am, I think ma'am 80 to 100, ma'am, because ma'am we
we were
have
on
marked
G
it.
exercise. Yes, we were on G exercise. Explain. Huh?
And we have to do to answer the following in 88 to 100 words.
Yes, G exercise. Question number 1. Explain the various ways in which water is useful to us. I think we were doing this answer, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, yes. Naitik, we have done this answer.
Then we have marked 3 points of this.
Okay, we have already marked 3 points of this answer. So let us
No,
continue.
ma'am, we have marked ma'am
Yes,
4
ma'am.
points.
Okay,
Ma'am, we have
140.
marked-
Open page 149, all of you.
Ma'am, opened.
Ma'am, open.
Open. First, second, third. 4 points we have done. 5th point we need to continue from, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the page number?
Beta, I said
149.
149. I told you 149 page number.
Ma'am, please tell the 4th point also.
I'll cover up everything. Don't worry. Right? Page 149 all have opened.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, on the left hand side of the page, we have 2 points written: significance of water.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So first point will be, we use water for our domestic purposes. Then water from rivers and lakes is used for irrigation. Third point would be, water is required for cleaning and cooling the machines in industries. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then when water
Yes, ma'am.
falls, when water falls from a height, it is harnessed to generate electricity. It is harnessed to generate electricity.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, when water falls from a height, it can be harnessed to generate
Yes,
electricity.
yes. It can be harnessed to generate electricity. Done?
Okay, ma'am.
Ha.
Yes.
Yes.
Then next point is water helps in moderating the climate of the coastal regions. Water helps in moderating the climate of the coastal regions. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Then the ocean waters are home to a variety of marine life. Done?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
point.
Ocean waters are home to a variety of marine life. Written?
Done. Yes, ma'am.
Then rivers, seas, and oceans serve as a means of transport, both inland and international. Waterways are the main arteries of trade and commerce. These points, I think, if you want, you can divide them into two parts. First part as one point and the second part as another point. Right, class?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then,
Ma'am, ma'am, this point has to be in 2 points.
you can like, you can make 2 points out of this 1 point.
Okay.
Right?
Ma'am, means 1 point river, seas, and oceans serve as a means of transport, and ma'am, other point both inland and.
Yes, you can go for that. Right? How many points total?
Ma'am, 8.
8. Right. And then the last point you will write that water vapor in the atmosphere is responsible for providing all the fresh water on the earth through precipitation.
Okay, ma'am.
I hope all have marked this.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am, please tell the last point.
Huh? Last point is on the last point as it is you have to write.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, shall we proceed on to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Next question is scarcity of water resources is a major problem faced by many countries. Comment. You will write. Yes, Tanishka, tell beta.
The regions suffering the most are Northern Africa, Central and West Asia, the Middle East, part of the Southern Asia.
Tanishka, they are not asking the names of the countries, beta. They are simply telling you to comment, to give your viewpoint that scarcity of water resources is a major problem that is faced by many countries. Right?
Okay, ma'am. I got it, ma'am. Can I tell?
Yes, yes.
Many parts of the world today are faced with the problem of water scarcity. A number of the extinct resources have dried up and many others have become polluted. Ma'am, if we want to write it, so we can write some region name also.
Okay. What you can write, see, I'll tell you. On page number 151, you have a page 151 left hand side. Third paragraph, reasons where it is written.
Yes.
Reasons is given. It is given, no?
Yes.
You can write that unequal distribution of the rainfall is the main reason for water scarcity in most of the countries of the world today, right?
Ma'am, 1 minute. In
Huh.
most of most of the countries, then ma'am.
Of the world today. Or you can write it vice versa also. How? You can write that scarcity of water resources is a major problem faced by many countries. It is due to the reason, it is due to unequal distribution of rainfall, right? It is due to unequal
Ma'am,
distribution of rainfall. After,
we can write like this, ma'am. Like unequal distribution of water is the main reason for water scarcity.
I told you, no, both ways you can write. It is up to you. I have given you choice that either that way or this way you can write. Fine?
Ma'am, till what today? Only
Ha.
then it's a short answer.
Unequal. No, the answer is not over. I am telling you, these are the initial lines that you have to write. Okay. Then you will write it is because of the rapid increase in population. Now come to page 150. Scarcity of water, last paragraph.
Yes.
Okay. It is due to the rapid increase in population, modernization of agricultural
And
techniques.
where I didn't get it.
Beta, page 150, scarcity of water, first line.
Yes, ma'am. Last paragraph.
Got it? Huh.
Ma'am, till consumption pattern.
Till consumption pattern you will write. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, but ma'am, this answer has marked in ma'am 10 to ma'am 15
No
words.
problem. It is okay. It is completely okay. Right? You can rewrite. You can write again because that is a
Ma'am,
different question. हाँ. ठीक है?
Yes, and this question is having ma'am one more paragraph.
And then you have to add. Then you have to add by the year 2025. Got these lines on page 151?
Yes, ma'am.
Poor quality.
65 countries.
By year 2025, 65 countries are likely to face shortage of water. No need to include the names of the countries. Okay? By the year 2025, 65 countries are likely to face shortage of water. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Sure. Marked everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now come to the next question. Describe the various methods of conserving water. Prasun will tell this answer. Beta, can I have the cameras on? Can I have the cameras on of the students? I just wanted to see who all are there in the class. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes, beta.
ma'am, can I close my camera for a minute?
हाँ. What about Akshar, Dhruv, Rishika, Uzair, Aditya? Okay, fine. Fine.
yes, ma'am.
Fine. Yes, last answer. Describe the various methods of conserving water.
May I tell?
Yes, beta, tell.
The various methods of conserving water are: we should not waste the water while bathing a car.
While washing a
should-
car.
while washing a car, and we should, the water which comes from our ROs, we should plant it in the
We
planted in water.
should utilize it for planting. Yes, very good. That's really nice.
And water we can and we can store the rainwater for our use.
You can always, Tamil Nadu, what is Tamil Nadu? Do you know
Yes, ma'am.
what
Yes,
it
ma'am,
is?
it is
Ma'am, Chennai.
Tamil
city.
Nadu.
State.
What is
Ma'am,
Tamil Nadu?
Ma'am, it is the state.
It is
Yes.
a
United States.
Okay.
state. Tamil Nadu is Tamil Nadu became the first state to impose laws related to rainwater harvesting. It is mandatory. It is necessary for all the residents to ensure to have the system of conserving the rainwater. It is a provision that is made while constructing the house. They need to make provision for the rainwater harvesting also. It is mandatory over there as per law. Means they have passed a law where every individual who owns a house has to ensure measures for rainwater harvesting. This is a very good initiative taken by the state government. Reason being, these areas which we have, they are the areas where water scarcity is quite high, because the rivers which are there in these regions, they are the peninsular rivers, and throughout the year they do not provide water to these areas, right? So just a second, Devansh got disconnected. So these what do you call, the southern states which we have, because they run short of water, that is why these provisions have been made by the government. So this kind of awareness, we all need to have these kind of awarenesses. And though if our state government has not made it mandatory for us to have this system, but still we can take the initiative, no, right? Can we take, we all can take this initiative without
Yes,
being
ma'am.
without being bound by the government, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, fine, okay, chalo. Anybody else for the same answer? Shagun, would you like to answer this question, beta?
Ma'am, we should save water as we should be. Ma'am, I don't have any different point. I thought of this only.
Okay, it is fine. You can give the points that are given in the book also. It is not that
Ma'am,
we
can you
cannot.
tell?
And may I tell the answer from science book?
Beta, wait. Let Shagun try. Shagun, can you open page 152 of your book?
Yes, ma'am.
See, there are some dotted lines over there. Afforestation, efficient irrigation methods. You can read out any one point. Okay, okay. Uh, Before she reads out, these points that are given over here in the dotted lines, the dotted points which are there, you can write these answers, but then you can cut short. You can cut short the matter that is given in it. Like you can write that afforestation is one method through which we can conserve water by planting trees that will slow down the surface runoff and improve the seepage of water in the soil, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Huh?
Ma'am, but can I answer the third question? Describe the various methods of conserving water. Ma'am, can I re-answer?
Yes, 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 answer.
Water is a natural resource of a prime importance to us. Rapid population growth has fast depleted the rivers of fresh water. Because of afforestation, efficient irrigation methods, sprinklers, and high trickle or drip irrigation.
ठीक है, ये भी लिख सकते हैं. Very good. This is also correct. Then the other points which are given, those also you can include, right?
Ma'am, please tell the answer.
Beta, you can write that afforestation, that is planting of trees and other plants, can slow down the process of surface runoff and improve seepage of water in the soil. Full stop. Second point, the most important use of fresh water is irrigation. Efficient irrigation methods must be used. Then in continuous sprinklers and drip irrigation methods could be adopted to irrigate the fields. इसमें थोड़ा सा आप अपना modify करके लिख दीजिएगा बच्चा, ठीक है?
So, ma'am, we have to also, ma'am, like after used, we have to write about sprinklers. Then, ma'am, we have to write about.
Don't write. No. As it is, this answer is quite lengthy. You have already told about sprinklers and drip irrigation method, right? Then,
So, ma'am,
only,
ma'am, sprinkler.
only sprinklers and drip irrigation methods can be used for irrigation, for irrigating the fields or for the irrigation purposes, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Then industrial waste as it is, domestic use as it is, up till avoided, and rainwater harvesting full. I hope I am clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now, do you have the material for the collage making with you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we will start. You will keep your cameras on and we'll start with the activity now. Everyone to keep the cameras on and we start with the individual activity.
Okay.
You have to only one page. Beta, do it in the notebook, okay? Make sure that it is the notebook page that you are utilizing. Okay, Adya? Adya
Ma'am,
has,
what we have to.
okay, Naitik, we have to do the activity which is given on page 155. Many parts of India face scarcity, especially during summer. Collect newspaper reports and pictures to prepare your own report on water scarcity in India and make a collage. So what you have to do, you have to make a collage of the news headlines that talks about the water scarcity in the country. You can write the headlines in bold in your handwriting also if you don't have the newspaper cuttings, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Start with your activity
Okay.
and share your activity in the class group.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
carry on.
Ma'am, we have to find the news of my water scarcity.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Can you please tell the activity again, ma'am? I am disconnected.
Beta, page 155, individual activity.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. I'm taking the attendance. Wait a second.
Ma'am, if we don't have the newspaper cuttings, ma'am, we can write the points of news.
In bold, you can write, no problems. I told you that. You can do that.
Okay.
Ma'am, ma'am, without using ma'am newspaper, ma'am, we can Google it and ma'am, we can write the main points.
Yes, you can.
It will be okay.
Yes, beta, it will be okay. Let me tell you how you are going to do this. Okay. I'm sharing the screen with the whiteboard. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what you can do is, see, suppose this is a single page, right? You can write a heading over here, right? Then over here, then over here, then over here, over here, over here, right? You have to utilize every part of your page for making the collage, right? It can be, you don't have to stick it in a very neat manner. You can overlap the this thing, what the headings which are there, right? But then make sure that they are written in a manner which looks like as if it is a collage. Am I clear?
Yes.
I'm
Can-
like, can we make a like
ma'am.
flower like then we
कोलाज
can like
कोलाज नहीं 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 कोलाज ऐसे ही बनता है बेटा कोलाज इसी तरीके से बनता है ना यू वांट टू गिव इट अ शेप
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
यस अक्षर
Ma'am, in this, ma'am, we have to stick the pictures from where?
from the newspaper headlines which are there no regarding water scarcity you can google it and you can write down the headings right if you don't have the newspaper cuttings with you clear beta
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
ma'am, can we give a shape to the collage?
yes you can
Ma'am, like flower like square.
use you can do that but then make sure that every space is utilized okay okay Naitik?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
This is 8th class
Yes, ma'am.
fine
Ma'am, we have to write news of ma'am this year only.
You can take for previous years also, beta, no problems at all. Do we have Dharya in the class?
Yes.
Okay.